Now that you have your new Kwilt, you may be thinking, what's next? Great news, there's only a few simple steps to getting started with Kwilt. Included with your Kwilt device, you'll see a power supply, an Ethernet cable, and a USB memory key. Start by plugging the power supply into the power adapter port on the side of your device, and then connect the included USB or any external hard drive into the USB port. For a wired network connection, connect the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your device and connect it to your router. Next, download the Kwilt app. Once downloaded, create a new account or log into a pre-existing account. For a wired network connection, a pop-up will appear prompting setup. Click yes and follow the on-screen instructions. For a wireless connection, continue with the following steps.